First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into 2 equal halves, and press well. Now from the other side, repeat the step. Now open it. Fold from the top to the middle crease. Press it. Open it. Now fold a triangle from one side. And now from the other. Press it well. Open it. Now fold from the third side. And subsequently the fourth one. Press it well. Now fold from one corner. Then from the other. Third one. And finally the fourth. Fold it from one side and then the other. Open it. Again fold it as you have done in the previous, and subsequently the other two sides. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now we have to close the box. Fold according to the creases you have marked. Now fold the sides inwards a bit and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye bye.